Oh man. It's Monday. Picking up this 2014 Impala. I think it's back here. It's got some damage to it. That's why I was able to get it for $1,000. Hopefully the damage ain't too bad to get fixed, but not even caring about the damage, just hopefully that it runs good, you know. Hopefully the damage ain't too bad. I don't remember even what it looked like. Damage is pretty bad. The hood is actually closed. It's a lot more damage than I thought. So headlight, bumper. It's really not that bad. It's really just straightening the hood. They don't have to like straighten the hood and paint the hood. How's the interior? Interior is not terrible. Blend door actuator. That's the most annoying noise. Yeah, I know people who had Impalas. That's like the most annoying noise. There you go. See, cuts off out the well. So stupid. Such a stupid thing. Well, let's go drive and make sure she got some gears. It is a 14 though, so I said 1,000. And just said if I gotta invest another 500. I said another 500. Dang, trying to break my door. Yeah, trying to break my door. Let's say got 1,000. Let's say another 500 to get it all the way right. But maybe I can find a matching bumper. I can go out to the salvage at least try to find a matching bumper. I don't think the hood's too bad of a shape.
It's black. Those are pretty dark.
No, this is gray. It's not black.
Oh, is it gray?
Yeah, it's like a gray.
Oh, black.
That's why I didn't mind like if I just go put a certificate bumper on here though, and get those like black and gray, like black, like some with like smoky looking headlights and smoke. You know, I was talking about get those smoky headlights with the black certificate bumper. Then it probably won't look bad. So we got the blend door act. I think probably like one side, like if that blend door go out, that's why I was making that clicking noise. Can't drive. It don't have no service. It don't have no check engine light. What's the mileage on here again? 181. Oh yeah, I guess people really be that big of a rush when people be having accidents and stuff. Doesn't have no just a tire pressure light, but that ain't too worried about that. You go drive and just make sure she got some gears, and then Wilson. Take it to my buddy Wilson. Like I said, I have him just straighten it. Got all shift that it need. It ain't even all over the road or nothing. It ain't even all over the road. We seen enough. Go ahead and take it back to old Wilson. It got all his gears, got a good motor. Have him go straighten it up. See if we can go make a deal. And then we'll search the salvage yard. And I'm gonna put a picture of those headlights that I'm gonna think about getting. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. If I don't like, should I go with those headlights, and also should I go with a certificate like black bumper and stuff like that. That's fun. So we'll do another walk around when we get to Wilson. Like work, temperature handstand where it's at, 180,000 miles. They just got it. Whoever had it just got the service, just got the oil changed up on it. Just got the oil changed up on it. It ain't like badly out of line or anything. Like it's a little bit out of line, but it ain't even over the road out of line though. Ain't a little bit out of the line. Like bro, what do y'all be doing? Like y'all literally see it's a whole stop sign, and they be like, oh, let me take a chance. Like bro, like are you really wanting to risk your life but knocking a minute off your time of your trip? Like it's a good buy. 2014 180. I think this is easy. Like a $4,000 car. Does have the sunroof, the garage door opener. I wish it had like that. I wish it was like an LTZ so it had those better looking wheels, but we'll take the little basic LT. Interior. A little darker than interior. So we'll walk around when we get over here to Wilson. You know Wilson gonna hit me with that look. Is he even here? Wilson up here taking days off and stuff. It is around his lunchtime. Get one more look at it. We'll leave the keys in there for him. Chevy wheels though, but it ain't even that. It's really honestly not even that bad. It's really not. Like the hood just kind of just up. Like I say, get those smoke tail lights. Maybe, I don't know. Is it bent? Is it? Kinda. Yeah, I don't know. I think that certificate bumper look good. Like that black certificate style bumper. With the smoke gray headlights and stuff. But other than that, that's the only, really the hood's the only damage on it. Hood, the blend door actuator. Yeah. Let me stop before I mess up the paint. Have them check, line that door up. Good rubber all the way around. Clean little car. Well, I don't even know what motor it got in. I don't know if it's got the 39 in there or whatever. Can't really tell. Oh well. Wilson will fix it. That's his ear. What's going on? Eating lunch? Oh, it's lunchtime. Wilson not here? I'll call him. Okay. I forgot it is around that lunchtime. But I'm gonna put a picture of the headlights. It'll be like right here, like after this. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let me know in the comment section below. Is $1,000 a good deal? Let me know how much you'll sell it for. I think $1,000 is a good deal. You know, another 500 worth of value, and then you can make 2,500 to $3 grand. Let me know what y'all sell it for. Appreciate y'all for stopping in. We out. Peace.